Hi, my name's Richard Kenton Webb, and I am course leader of painting, drawing and printmaking. This is an art college, a real one, because all it does is art and design. It's 1,600 students. I've been teaching a university of 30,000, where art and design is just one of many things, whereas here it's an art school, art and design, run by artists, for artists. It is aware of its root in its place and in its community of the Southwest and the whole great tradition that is part, for me as a painter especially, of that St Ives grouping of artists. So what's a BA about? It's about having a space, an umbrella to just do art. Just do making, it be involved with things that are solely and utterly focused on making materials, your ideas, challenging those ideas. How do we get our unconscious thoughts out? How do we play? Play is an important part for the artist. So therefore, these incredible studios, and these are the most incredible studios in the UK. I mean, wow. The printmaking facilities are in the painting studio. I mean, it just doesn't get better. I mean, where else can you do that? You literally can take your printmaking into your painting into your printmaking if you want to. There is such scope for scale. Provocation is an important part, so provoking about what is painting, where are the boundaries of drawing? Are there boundaries of drawing? I would say the first year and a half of a 3-year degree is getting our students, our artists together and work through a number of different problems and experiences with materials and different surfaces and different ways of perceiving. So they are then equipped in their next year and a half and exploring how they want to make work and who they are as an artist. It's almost halfway through the 3rd year as they turn past Christmas and they're looking for their degree show. Things really start to happen very quickly. And that's when a lot of students go, I just don't want to stop. I really want to push this further. And it's that pushing the next level further into the meaning and the potential of what this could be and where they fit in society and how they see this as a discourse in society.